Hello guys, it's program Rainy Day with Alex Partyan, and today our guest is Sergii Korovainyi. So we start.
Hi Alex.
Hi Serge. So thank you that you found free time and you come here.
Yeah, it's a pleasure for me, to be here as your guest.
Yeah, it's such a
Very
good
much.
weather.
Yeah, rain weather.
Yeah. I want to ask you a few questions.
Yes, please.
So you are a famous photographer, and my first question: when you started doing such things, shooting men and women in different
Children.
places,
Yeah.
and so on.
Yeah, so I started my path in photography in the age of 6 when I was a child, and parents bought me an amateur camera. It looks like
Like a toy, yeah?
Yes, exactly. And I thought I'd take picture, but I didn't. But anyway, from that time I fall in love with photography.
Oh, thank you. I know that now you are studying journalism in Kyiv
I do.
Academy, and how can you explain these two professions can be combined or
Yeah,
something like
so basically what I can now, I can take pictures, but I need to hone it vast amount of skills, including videography, writing, maybe visualization, and skills of communication with people for me to support my work to make it stronger. That's why I enrolled to Kyiv Academy.
Yeah. And maybe the last question, can you explain the difference between making a photo and taking a photo?
That's a big question. Actually, it connects more to some linguistic forms, but I think that there is no difference indeed.
Can you say some words to our audience?
Yes, I do.
So do it, man.
I think that everybody should follow your dream and find your bliss in this world. And I did it in photography. And actually, I'm a very happy man. So I do photography, I do journalism. I can tell stories with my pictures, and so that's why I think I found my bliss. And I wish everybody to do it. And
don't take
safe.
photos of
Or make
their
photos.
food
Yes, food
and
maybe
visiting toilets.
yes, food and toilets is something awkward. So stay safe, stay dry, and follow your dream.
Thank you. Goodbye.